Lord, I know you can do anything, and no one can stop you. You are all-powerful yet all-knowing and all-loving. Nothing is beyond your knowledge and your reach. You know my every thought. Nothing is secret to you. As you examine me, you will feel all the love and yearnings in my heart for you. My God, power, and awesome might belong to you. You make peace in high places. This treasured gift of life is given to me to seek you and love humanity in glory, not to be squandered on fear and anxiety. Even though you are just and righteous, you are too good to do anything unkind. I know you love me and are waiting for me to bring my struggles to you on my dark days. Father, now I come pouring my soul to you and lay my worry, anxiety, and fear at your feet. I know you're here with me, but I struggle to feel this presence over my fear and anxiety, for they appear too strong for me. I thank you because I know nothing can happen to me that I can't manage with you by my side. Now, Lord, I pray for peace and quiet over my fearful and worried heart. I know you intend for me to enjoy life fully and embrace you with all my heart. I pray for the grace to know and acknowledge the compassion of others around me and allow it to help wash away this darkness. Help me find a position where my mind can rest comfortably and be grateful for today without worrying. Teach me, Lord, because you are humble and gentle at heart, and I will find rest for my soul. I receive the grace to free my heart and mind and turn my attention to you instead. For Lord, you are higher than any mountain and shine brighter than any form of darkness. I now turn it all over to you, all the obsessivity, worry, misery, and panic that shove my loved ones and friends away. Instead of being self-centered, help me shift my focus on loving others properly. Grant me the grace to shine your glorious light for those around me and to be a good model of your amazing grace and love. Help me live daily with complete assurance that you will never leave or forsake me, so I have no reason to worry over the coming days. Open my eyes to the things that matter. Prompt me always to appreciate the beauty and glory around me and the blessings I already have. Train me to live my life for you, so nothing else matters. Thank you for helping me recognize your plan and purpose for my life in the name of Jesus.